Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to untangle 4 terms you often hear in the world of online security and identity: OAuth, SAML, OpenID, and SCIM. They sound complicated, but they're actually pretty simple once you understand what they do. Let's break them down with some easy-to-remember analogies. First up, OAuth. Think of OAuth as a valet key for your digital life. Imagine you're at a hotel and you need the staff to get something from your car's trunk. You wouldn't give them your main car key, right? That would give them access to everything. Instead, you give them a special valet key that only opens the trunk. That's exactly what OAuth does. It's all about delegating permission. When you use Login with Google on a new app, you're not giving that app your Google password. Instead, you're giving it an OAuth token, a digital valet key that grants it permission to access specific parts of your Google account, like your profile picture or email address, without ever seeing your password. It's a secure way to connect apps without oversharing. Next, we have SAML, which stands for Security Assertion Markup Language. This one is all about Enterprise Single Sign-On, or SSO. Imagine you work for a big company. You have one ID badge, and you can use it to get into the main office, the parking garage, and even other company buildings across town. You swipe it once, and you're in. SAML is the digital version of that badge. It allows employees in an organization to log in one time with their company credentials, and then seamlessly access multiple different applications, like Salesforce, Workday, or their internal HR system without having to log in to each one separately. It's super common in corporate environments and makes life much easier and more secure for everyone. Now, let's talk about OpenID Connect, or OIDC. If OAuth is the valet key, OpenID Connect is the driver's license that proves who you are. It works right on top of OAuth, but adds a crucial layer: identity. OAuth is great at granting permission, but it doesn't actually confirm who the user is. OpenID Connect fills that gap. It verifies your identity. When you see Sign in with Google or Sign in with Facebook, you're often using OpenID Connect. It tells the new application, hey, this person is who they say they are, and here's some basic profile information about them. So, while OAuth handles the what you can do, OpenID handles the who you are. Finally, we have SCIM, which stands for System for Cross-Domain Identity Management. This one is a bit different because it's not about logging in. It's about managing user accounts automatically. Think about what happens when a new employee joins a company. HR adds them to the main system, and like magic, their email account is created, they get access to Slack, and their name is added to the project management tool. When they leave, all that access is instantly revoked. That's SCIM in action. It automates the process of creating, updating, and deleting user accounts across multiple applications. It ensures that user access is always up to date, which is crucial for security and efficiency. So, to quickly recap, OAuth is the valet key for giving limited permissions. SAML is the corporate ID badge for one-time login to many work apps. OpenID Connect is the ID card attached to the key that proves who you are. And SCIM is the automated HR system that manages your accounts from start to finish. I hope that made things clearer. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple explanations of complex tech topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.